we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
Okay, so we're comparing the Breville Barista Pro and the Jura S8 espresso machines, right? Sounds like fun.
Yeah, let's dive in. The Breville, model BES878BTR, is going for around $680, while the Jura S8, that's a renewed model, is significantly pricier at about $1,500. Big difference to start.
Huge! So what are we getting for that extra cash with the Jura?
Well, the Jura is a super-automatic machine. Think touchscreen, automatic filter detection, and programmable coffee strength. Basically, it does almost everything for you. It makes 15 different specialties.
Okay, that screen sounds fancy. So the Breville is more hands-on?
Exactly. The Breville Barista Pro is semi-automatic. It's got a built-in grinder, which is cool, and a manual steam wand. You control the grind, tamp, and extraction more. Think more involved, but potentially more control over your espresso.
Gotcha. What about the grinders? Is the Jura really worth the extra spent?
Jura boasts an Aroma G3 grinder. They say it's twice as fast and very precise. The Breville has an integrated conical burr grinder with dose control. User reviews for the Breville seem to like the grinder.
And what about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
The Breville has a manual microfoam milk texturing wand, so you're in charge of creating that velvety texture. The Jura has a fine foam frother, designed for specialty coffees.
So the Jura automates that too. What about heating time?
The Breville has a thermojet heating system that heats up in 3 seconds. Super quick. The Jura doesn't specify a heat-up time, which leads me to believe it's not as fast.
Okay, that's a big win for Breville. So final thoughts?
If you want near-complete automation and don't mind paying a premium for it, the Jura S8 is a solid choice. But it's a renewed product, so it has a limited warranty.
And if you enjoy the process of making espresso and want more control at a lower price point,
the Breville Barista Pro seems like a fantastic option. It's a workhorse with great reviews. It's a question of convenience versus control and how much you're willing to spend.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.